If you're a nature lover, you need to see how ants find food. It's like watching a miniature treasure hunt. Ants are like tiny adventurers on a mission. When they find food, they lay down a trail of chemicals called pheromones. This is like leaving a scented map for their buddies to follow. The more ants that follow, the stronger the trail becomes. But did you know ants can carry up to 50 times their body weight? That's like you carrying an elephant. Their teamwork is mind-blowing. They form long lines and work together to get the food back to their colony. No ant left behind. So next time you see an ant, remember they're not just wandering around. They're on a mission for their team. Ants show us that teamwork really does make the dream work.